When do wisdom teeth need to be removed? So, what are the signs that your wisdom tooth may need removal? In some cases, wisdom teeth may not show any symptoms at all. An impacted wisdom tooth can lead to several problems. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Namrata Rupani, a practicing dental surgeon in Hyderabad. Today I want to talk to you about a very common question. When do wisdom teeth need to be removed? Wisdom teeth are the last set of adult teeth to come in, usually at the back of your mouth. These are also called as third molars. For some people, wisdom teeth usually grow into your mouth and do not cause any trouble. But for others, there might not be enough space in your mouth for these wisdom teeth to come. When this happens, the tooth can get stuck under the gums or grow at an angle. This is called an impacted wisdom tooth. An impacted wisdom tooth can lead to several problems. It can cause pain, swelling, infection, damage to the nearby tooth, and also crowding of the other teeth. Because of this, it can lead to increased risk of cavities and gum disease. So, what are the signs that your wisdom tooth may need removal? Some of the common symptoms include red, swollen or bleeding gums, pain in the jaw, swelling around the jaw, an unpleasant taste in the mouth, difficulty in opening the mouth properly, and in cases where the tooth is angulated, it can also cause crowding of your teeth. In some cases, wisdom teeth may not show any symptoms at all. That is why regular dental checkups are very, very important. With routine examinations and dental x-rays, your dentist can monitor the position of your wisdom teeth and identify these problems early. If the wisdom tooth is causing pain, infection, crowding, or damage to nearby teeth, removal is usually the best option. The good news is that wisdom teeth removal is a common and a safe procedure when done at the right time. Early diagnosis can help prevent bigger problems later on. So, if you're experiencing discomfort at the back of your mouth or in your jaw, do not ignore it. Visit your dentist and get it checked. Thank you so much for watching.